Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all very much for coming today. I hope you had a pleasant journey here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Napetali Alexander Pembate, and I am the CEO of Gajah Mada Company. The purpose of today's presentation is to highlight the essential role of social media in modern business strategy. In today's presentation, I'm hoping to give you an overview of the latest trends, explain how our company is leveraging social media effectively, and outline our future plan for digital engagement. My talk is divided into three main parts. Firstly, I will talk about the importance of social media is in growing a brand and connecting with customers. Then I will look at how Gajah Mada company use platform like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, LinkedIn, and TikTok to engage with audience and gather feedback. And finally, I'll share the outcome of our recent campaigns and talk about our upcoming strategies involving influencer partnership and data driven content. I will be glad to answer any question that you may have at the end. Let's start with the first point, the importance of social media in brand growth. Social media is no longer just for entertainment. It's now a vital business tool for building reputation, creating awareness, and connecting with a global audience in real time. Now, let's move on the second point. How Gajah Mada Company uses social media social media. We use various platforms to build relationship with our customer, promote our product creatively, and gain real-time insight through feedback and analysis. Analytic. Uh, Moving on the final section. Let's take a look at our recent campaign result and future plans. We have seen a significant increase in engagement and sales through target influencer collaboration and interactive content. Our future strategies focus on expanding our digital reach and embracing innovative data-driven approaches. To summarize the main points of my presentation, first, social media plays a crucial role in modern branding. Second, our company use multiple platforms to connect and grow. Third, future plans include stronger digital strategies based on data and trends. I'd like to conclude by saying social media plays a crucial role in the success of modern business. It help us to connect with our audience, build our branding, and stay competitive in a fast changing digital world. That's bring me to the end of my presentation. Thank you all very much for your attention. Does anyone have any question? I'll be happy to answer them now.